Hello students, we are in exercise 12.3 and in question number 9. Let us read the question. In figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of this smaller circle. If this OA is equal to 7 centimeter, find the area of this shaded part. Alright, now let us see what is given here. Okay, at first you see this angle is 90 degree, it is given. So radius of bigger circle. Okay, let us represent it by R. So here that is OD is equal to OA is equal to OB is equal to OC, each is equal to this 7 centimeter radius of this bigger circle, and also radius is smaller circle, this is the diameter of this smaller circle, so radius will be half of this. Okay, OD equal to how much? 7 centimeter. So this is the diameter, so radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter. We have written from the given part. Okay, now thing is that we have to find the area of this shaded region. Now how we'll do? Dear student, the solution is very simple. Okay, what we'll do here, we shall take this area. This is a circle, so its area is pi r square. We know that area of a circle is pi r square. Then we will take these two shaded area. How will find this shaded area? From the area of this semicircle, we shall subtract this area of this triangle. Okay, so what will be the procedure? We will take this area, we shall use pi r square plus this shaded area. This shaded area we are going to find from subtracting the area of the semicircle minus area of this triangle. Okay, so let us do. So area of shaded part, shaded, here it is given region, so let us also write region, is equal to area of smaller circle plus this area. How will represent this area? Area of this semicircle, this is a semicircle, minus area of this triangle. Area of triangle, what is the name of the triangle? ABC. Alright, so let us substitute the values. Area of this smaller circle, let us put the expression pi r square plus area of the semicircle. We know that area of a circle, it is pi r square. Now if we draw the diameter, this is a semicircle, this is half of this total area, so its area will be pi r square by 2. So here we shall write half pi r square. This r is the radius of the bigger circle. We have taken the area of the semicircle for this bigger circle. Okay, then minus area of the triangle ABC, half into base, base is AB into height is OC. Here we have applied the formula half into base into height. Now let us substitute the values. Pi is 22 by 7, this small r already we have found, it is 7 by 2 plus half, pi is 22 by 7, big R is 7 into 7 minus half. AB is the diameter of the bigger circle. Radius of the bigger circle was 7, so it will be 14 into OC is the radius of the bigger circle, it is 7. Okay, now let us do the remaining part here. Now dear students, again let us simplify this. Let us cancel this 7 we can cancel here, this 2 we can cancel, this is 11, so this is 77 by 2 plus, then here we can cancel this 7 we can cancel, this we can cancel like this, so it is 77 minus 2 7, this is 49 So this is 38. If we divide, this is 38.5 plus if we subtract 77 and this 49, 8, this is 2. Okay, so it is 28. So if we add them, it is 8, it's 16, 6, 5 centimeter square. Okay, so this is the expression for area of this shaded part. Alright students.